Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling notification sounds on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. Now select Notifications. Click the arrow to expand the settings to get more options for controlling notifications. Here you can enable or disable the checkbox to turn notification sounds on or off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.